167Y6 here, and today I will be showing you how to pack just for your simple, most basic, very basic, simple, warm weather overnight hike. Okay, overnight hike or camp or whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna so basically, first off we'll need some clothes for a trail. So if it's just overnight, you'll need like 2 pairs of everything basically. Like either way, you'll need 2 pairs of everything, even if it's just overnight. Cause well, you know it's camping. It's unpredictable, right, guys? It's unpredictable. So yeah, and then I'd fold them up. But actually, you guys want to like fold it up and get it compressed as much as you can, so it'll take up the least room in your pack. Now this is a kind of small pack, but it's decent for an overnight, like for just an overnight a warm weather camp out. So and then I'll fold this up too, and yeah.
Are you rolling it?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it down as small as it can be, so it'll take up the least room as possible in the pack. Okay? And then I'll need to do it with the shirts and all that stuff too, and the underwear and the socks. Well, I mean that's already pretty compressed, but well, hey, who knows? So I'm just gonna bunch it up basically. Okay, there, and then I'll also do that with this shirt too. Okay, let me get this. Yeah, I'm kind of not exactly good at this. Okay, so, well, yeah, that's it. That's basically it for the main. Actually, I'm going to put this stuff also in the main compartment because, well, yeah, it works best. So I'm also going to fold down the underwear, kind of good size. Now, guys, this is just a very, very, very basic camp out. Just a very, very basic one. And the food, I decided not to include too complicated because I have no idea what's actually going to be decent for that pack. But anyways, so yeah, like food varies for everyone, so that's why I am not exactly a fan of putting it in this video. So yeah, see you guys, look how small this underwear has gotten. And yeah. And I'll for the socks, I'll do that too. And yeah, I'm sorry if this is getting a bit tedious, guys. It's almost done. Seriously, just have to get these socks in. And so, well, guys, that is it for the main compartment. And now I'm going to zip that up. Okay, so now, this is just a top compartment. Well, I shouldn't call it a compartment, really. It's a pocket. It's too small. And then this is like, and then over here we got compression straps, mesh water bottle pockets on each side, and then over here, you can attach gear with this to the outside of the pack. Over here, we also got another pocket. Now, here I've got my flashlight. So now what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to stick it in the bottom or the top. It's really your personal preference. I decided to stick it in the top for easy access, though the bottom is much bigger than the top, the bottom pocket. And now what we will be doing is, I'll be taking out this, and this is just a water bottle that has no water in it, basically. Well, I guess it does, just barely any. So now I slide it in here, and this is really just my personal choice. But I'm gonna secure it with the compression strap. So yeah, there. I'm really gonna tighten it down. There, it really keeps the bottle in there, and yeah. And now this is the hardest part. Whoa, wait, this is the hardest part. Oh my God, guys, I'm so stupid. I forgot the pillow. Just don't pay attention to this. Yeah. So yeah, I just got a camping pillow. Yeah, I know, it looks really stupid. I got to admit myself. But well, it's just a demonstration. Okay, but I'd cover this up with a pillowcase. PS, if I actually went, which I'm not actually going right now. So I'll also stick that in the main compartment. If it fits, hopefully it will. Well, there you go, guys. It fits in the main compartment. And Yeah, so now is the hardest part. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so now I will be folding up the sleeping bag. The PS, for wondering why this is a mummy style, see, it's like a mummy style. It's because it's like a kind of like a winter one. It's meant for 20-degree weather. Well, yeah, it's only for 20 degrees. So yeah, it's actually. So first, I'm gonna like turn this bag over basically, so that I can get this down here, and I will be using these straps, or at least I'll attempt to. Actually, I shouldn't do this. Actually, I'm just gonna do it straight in halves, because that's actually gonna like. I mean, it's still gonna be kind of long for the pack, but that's fine. I mean, yeah, it's fine, people. So now, guys, so hard. So hard. Do I have to express myself here? And I'm not really gonna tighten it because that's really unnecessary at this point. So, guys, this is just a very, very basic one, and as you can see, it's still got a lot of work. Still kind of weighs it down. So I will be doing it. I'll be turning around shortly so you can see like the back, basically, like the entire pack. So yeah, here just a sternum strap. And yeah, guys, look, see it? Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video today. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button if you want to see more. And bye!